welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get a notification whenever I upload. So we, like I said, do all kinds of boxes here, from beauty and lifestyle to candles and pets and snacks. We do a little bit of everything. Today we are going to be opening the Spring Get Kindness box. I think this box is fantastic. I love it so much because it's just an amazing box. So this box is $49.99 a season. You can also get one-time boxes if you don't want to sign up for the subscription for $49.99. I will put a link below so you can definitely check them out. But what I love about this box is they say our box is designed around one theme: kindness. What it means to us is kindness towards yourself, towards others, and kindness towards our planet. We carefully select every item with kindness in mind and you. Expect to find a mix of self-care items, fair trade items, handcrafted items, and environmentally friendly items. So not only is this box just a feel good, put a smile on your face, but it is a give back box. I love that. Here it says kind you, kind community, kind earth. And yeah, so let's get in here. Let's cut it open and see what we got. Wow, this looks fun already. Look how pretty. All right, so I'm gonna read this message right here. It says, even in these difficult times, kindness is always important. We hope that you and your family are safe and managing well through this pandemic. This box does not include a pattern as stated on the card. A pattern was not required. Simply visit our website and follow the tutorial or come up with your own great idea. It says, if you liked your featured artisan bonus gift, you can visit their website. So it goes over some stuff there. But that's one thing too, they do not waste anything. Everything in this box can be repurposed in some way. So we have our paper here that will tell us about all of the different items in the box. And let's see, there's always a little pin that holds it together, and it says, don't throw away your wrap. And the pin is a Get Kindness pin, or kindness. So there's usually a pattern or something, like one time was a toboggan and different things, so you can repurpose, and they always have cute patterns. This is a very, very spring-like. Oh wow, this looks interesting. So when I peel that back, this is what I see. This looks super interesting. Okay. So the first thing that caught my attention is this right here. And this is a beeswax wrap. Try wrapping your food with this instead of toxic polythene wrap. So instead of like saran wrap. Warm wrap using heat from hands. Shape wrap firmly around bowl or snack. Voila, go green. How to care. Wash wrap in cold water and a drop of soap as needed. Scrub gently and dry. Gently as needed. Rinse and hang to dry. Avoid heat as it will melt, and it's not suitable for raw meat. I really, really like the idea of wraps like this where you are able to reuse them and not have to use plastic. So it looks like we actually have different sizes. So we have this size, and we have like a green, and then we have a bigger one. And I love that you could store them this way. They're already a little sticky. That is really, I'm excited about this. Like, honestly, I'm really excited. All right, so we have that. And then we have this really cute unduster. Why use disposable dusters when you can have a washable one to use over and over? So it's like a Swiffer. You can dust and clean and wash. I love it. Okay. Then we have, what What is this? Yaya's house. Is this what? Paper towels. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me right now? Save money and the environment by adding these reusable paper towels to your kitchen. You guys, what? So there's this, they literally snap apart. That is stinking adorable, and I absolutely love that idea. Like, that is cute, but I love that it's good for the environment. Like, that is awesome. And I'm loving everything. And then we have the Unsponge. Oh my gosh. Start cleaning the kind way with these adorable reusable sponges. And they literally match the paper towels. And you can tell they're like very well made. Oh my goodness. What is this? Charcoal infused bamboo toothbrush. Wake up and brush those chompers with this eco toothbrush. It's time to clean. So we have a bamboo toothbrush. And then unpaste. Cut the plastic and use these chewable toothpaste. Chew, brush, rinse. It's so easy. 100% natural. This is a 2-month supply. Unpaste tooth tabs. A zero waste replacement for your toothpaste. Fluoride free. It's mint. Chew till the tablet is a soft minty paste. Brush thoroughly, rinse, and enjoy. Do not swallow. 125 tabs. Oh my gosh, I am loving this, and I haven't even used it yet. What? Okay, that's awesome. There's just so much in here. This I think is going to be, they usually include, bonus gift. So let's take a look. This bonus gift was provided to you by Forward Floss. So it is some gloss. I can go with our unpaste and our bamboo toothbrush. All right, and then we have a dryer ball. Stop buying dryer sheets. This dryer ball is a much better alternative for the planet and your wallet. So I've heard amazing things about dryer balls, so I'm excited to have one now and give it a try. All right, and then we have got let's see, because we've got the toothbrush, the unpaste, the unpaper towels, the unsponge, the unduster, the dryer ball, the beeswax wrap, and now, okay, so the rest of this stuff all goes together. This is our plant kit. Get your spring garden going. Kit includes planter, soil, and seed balls. So I saw a little bag of soil. And then this, I'm assuming, is our little seed balls. Right here. And we've got quite a few of them. Like 5 of them maybe. Love your plants. Sun, warmth, water. Press halfway into bare soil. All right, do some planting. Give me something to do. And then it looks like we have got some little planters. All right, so yeah, we do. We have 3, I just unwrapped them. We have 3 planters. We have 2 little blue and a yellow. These are so cute. And you can tell these are hand painted. They're like the terracotta. I cannot wait to put some soil in these and the little seed balls and see what happens. So I have to say, honestly, you guys, this is seriously my favorite Get Kindness box that I have opened. This was amazing. I love how they kind of went in a different direction and still sticking with kindness and good things for the earth, obviously, but like next level. This was amazing. I love it all. The dryer behold, the unduster, the paper towels, what? Like, and then I keep looking over at the beeswax and the little unpaste toothpaste tablets. I can't wait to get in here, and we've got, it's just amazing. They thought of everything. They covered it all. I will put a link for Get Kindness down below. Definitely check them out. They are phenomenal. And like I said, this is definitely my favorite box so far. They've all been wonderful, but this is definitely top for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye.